اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
Now let's see, which is very important, fourth condition. Fourth condition is blood should not follow out of womb. Blood should flow out of womb. Blood should flow out of womb or uterus. So flow should be there. This is the condition number 4. If blood is flowing of womb or uterus, if there's if there's very little blood that does not come out, flow of blood should be there. If there's a very little blood and does not come out and remains inside, there is no ruling of period on it. Little blood seen on the cotton in the beginning of the period is necessary when you have to count that your period is starting. So blood should come out, should come flow or come out. By how you check? When you check on the cotton, you can see the blood in the beginning of the period. It is necessary. But if there is no blood seen, only that remains in the uterus, then no ruling of menstruation on it. So if you want to check, blood should flow out of womb. If it is inside, then it will not count in the blood of hairs. Even then, blood flow is not necessary for 3 days, and only if there is a blood in the inner part of vagina is enough, and only blood in uterus is not enough. So even if it is not coming, if you see in the beginning, it is necessary to see that you can mark that your period is starting in the beginning. You should see the blood on the cotton. But once it starts for 3 days, it should not be continuous. But if there is a blood even inside the uterus, it is okay. And only blood in the uterus is not enough. So for starting a period, first what you have to see, you should see blood in the beginning of the period. Then for 3 days it's flowing, but it should not be like continuous. Even if it is inside, then it is okay, but it should flow. And if in the beginning blood in the uterus is not enough, if the beginning it is not coming out, then you cannot mark that your first day is starting. It should come out, and you should see in the beginning that blood is coming out from the uterus. Okay, so blood. Okay, now the other explanation is blood in the inner part of vagina mean that when you insert cotton and after some weight you see blood on it, even very little blood. So how you check? You check even if you put the tissue or the cotton, and after some wait period you see that blood, there is a blood on it. Even if it is very little blood, it's okay. You checked and you know that it's flowing, so you can mark your period that, oh, okay, this is the first day of my period and it's starting. If during the 3 days a woman becomes clean, as it is seen with some ladies, it is also considered as period. So 3 days are the minimum conditions for the hairs or blood of menstruation. So 3 days, at least 3 days, and in the beginning we should see the blood is coming out. If it's inside the uterus, then it is not considered that it's, if it's not, it should flow out. So that is the important rule. And if during the 3 days a woman becomes clean, even sometime it blood flow, then stop, then flow, but if the duration is 3 days, then it is also considered as period.
اللهم صل على محمد